for identification of, let's say, rootkits, we are relying on the timestamps of the system utilities, when it was modified, when it was created, or after installation, whether any changes has been done or not. Then for all those analysis, we are completely relying on the timestamps of the system in consideration, or system under analysis. But what threat actors are doing is that they are modifying the timestamp of metadata of files to make malicious file appear as if they are genuine. What they are doing is they are doing it by altering attributes like creation time, modification time, access time, and using that time, what they are doing is they are blending it with the files already present in the systems. And so why the attackers are doing that, why they are using time stomping? So the main goal is to disrupt forensic investigations. So by modifying timestamps, they hinder an investigator's ability to accurately reconstruct events. So it's all about blending in and making the malicious activities look like regular system behavior. But and what the attackers are doing is they are using built-in commands, like for Linux, that the touch command is there, for Windows set file time, and other utilities are there. So they often use built-in commands and API to alter timestamps. So then the question is now, if they are modifying the timestamp, is there any way that the defender can see and find out if that timestamp has been modified? Yes, there are ways. For Windows, we have master file table report is present. Any forensic tools that is currently available in market can extract the MFT. And what we have to do is there are two file attributes in MFT. One is standard information and other is file name timestamp. So what attackers do is sometimes they will only modify the standard information attribute, but they will not touch other. So in that way, we'll have to match the different attributes. It won't be shown on the particular system, but if we have to extract it from the MFT. So we'll have to check that whether standard information or file name timestamps are inconsistent or not. If timestamps don't align from other artifacts, so let's say in Windows, for that matter, we have event logs, we have uh, re- registry entries where execution timestamps are there. So we'll have to cross-reference timestamps from various sources on a targeted systems, and if there are not matching, then this is an indication that the timestamp has been modified with. So we'll have to identify the timestamp that are out of sequence or don't make sense. For instance, if a file creation time is after the modification time, something is definitely off. So what forensic artifact that we'll have to see to identify forensic? So if a timestamp is modified or time stomping is being used, uh, first one is obviously the MFT, master file table in Windows. File system metadata, it may be registry entry data or SRUM data, or for Linux, it is a inode data or event log, or sometimes the command history, whether it is PowerShell or a bash history, or maybe or command line history in the Linux operating system. They will, if the attacker have used that command, it will be seen that it will be seen modifying the timestamp. So forensic tools are available for that, which will give the parse the MFT, but then the analyst has to uh, identify using the complex scenarios that whether uh, any changes has been done or not.